Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times before. It's been a while, but want to get things updated as from a technical perspective, the chart made a pretty significant move today in the bearish direction, and that all revolves around an area that for the past basically several weeks has done a great job of holding strong, and that is this area right here at, let's see, what is that? The $5. We'll just call it $5. Technically a little bit above there, but for simplicity's sake, let's call it $5, which is that green line right there. And over time, you can see that, like I said, over the past amount of time, this has held as a support. Many times the price has been down, around that area, including way back here on the chart. So, I mean, you can go back multiple months and you can see that there is a lot of, data points where the price has gone down there, and then to give credit where credit's due, the price has done a good job of holding strong. However, that is where, the big kind of quote unquote technical event happened today. That event being the price is now broken down through that area, which brings about our first update that needs to be done. And that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So by no means am I saying this breakdown is the end of the world or anything like that. But my point is that if there is any sort of bounces to the upside, right around this $5 mark is going to be that first key hurdle that will need to be broken up above. If the price can push up through that level, then the other area that's kind of made itself apparent now is this downtrending trend line right there, which was essentially there was a descending triangle that had formed. So in total technical jargon, today there was a breakdown of the descending triangle. So keep an eye on those couple levels there. In the event this pullback continues, the next key overall level of support, which I think it might have bounced off of today, but I don't know. That's a guess. We'll see what happens. We'll see how good my eyes are. But you have that low from right there, close. But the low from, let's see, when was that? Back here in the latter part of December had a low of 471. Today's low was 475. So within 4 cents of that key level of support right there. In the event the price does not hold above that green line and breaks down below that, at that point in time, it's all about that pink line, which on my chart is denoting the very famous 200-day simple moving average. So by no means am I saying it's guaranteed to break below that green line, but if it does, it's not a very wild prediction. It's not a very wild thing for me to throw out there that the price very well could go down and test that 200-day moving average. That by no means is a gutsy call or anything like that. However, like I said, as of now the price is still up above that 470-ish area, so we'll see if that can remain strong or not going forward. But yeah, rough day today. We'll see if the bulls can recover or not to close out the week tomorrow on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.